What if I told you an AI just launched that can book your flights, summarize your inbox, analyze competitors, build entire PowerPoint decks, and shop online for you all on its own? No more clicking, no more coding. Just tell it what you want, and it does the rest. This isn't some far-off future, it's happening right now. All right, this just dropped, and yeah, it's a big deal. OpenAI has officially launched what might be its most ambitious leap yet in AI, the ChatGPT Agent. But this isn't just a smarter chatbot. This thing actually does stuff, real tasks, and not in a toy demo way. We're talking full-on, autonomous task execution using its own secure virtual computer. Forget summarize this or write a poem. This is full task automation, web browsing, spreadsheet editing, API integration, and even generating fully editable slide decks all on its own. The key: it runs inside its own virtual machine, completely isolated from your device, giving it full tool access while keeping your system safe. So let's break it down. ChatGPT Agent is the next evolution of OpenAI's earlier prototypes. Remember Operator? That was the agent that could browse the web, click links, and interact like a human. Then came Deep Research, an analyst-style tool that combed through tons of web pages to produce expert summaries. Well, OpenAI fused those two ideas together, added ChatGPT's powerful conversation interface, and equipped it with some serious tools. A command-line terminal API connectors for services like Gmail and GitHub, both text-based and visual browsers. That's the new foundation of ChatGPT Agent. So what's it like to use? It starts just like a regular prompt. You might say, find 3 competitors to my product, analyze their pricing, and create a comparison slide deck. And it does it all. Browses the web, extracts real data, builds a fully editable deck in PowerPoint format. Vector graphics, charts, text, not just screenshots. Or maybe you say, plan and buy ingredients to make Japanese breakfast for 4. Boom. It'll find recipes, make a shopping list, go to grocery websites, add items to your cart, prompt you to log in and approve checkout. It's interactive and collaborative. You can pause, step in, redirect, or even cancel it at any point. And if you're on the mobile app, you'll get a push notification when it's done. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, this is cool, but how do I use this to get ahead? That's why we created the AI Income Blueprint, a completely free guide that walks you through 7 simple ways people are using AI tools like this to build income streams on the side. No coding required, no complex setup, just proven use cases and automation tips. Grab it free via the link in the description. This isn't just marketing hype. The agent performs. On Human Eval, a massive multi-subject benchmark, it scored 41.6% on first try. That's nearly double what OpenAI's GPT-4 Mini or GPT 3.5 could do. And with parallel attempts, basically choosing the best of 8 runs, it reached 44.4%. Then there's Frontier Math, probably the hardest benchmark yet, filled with unpublished math problems. GPT Agent scored 27.4% with tool usage. For comparison, GPT-4 Mini scored just 6.3%. That's a 4x leap in performance. But here's where it really gets impressive. OpenAI tested this agent on real business scenarios, like building amortization schedules, conducting competitive research, and modeling financial projections. And the result, it matched or outperformed top-tier human analysts in nearly half the tasks. It generated clean multi-tab spreadsheets, proper financial models, cited sources, clear, formatted outputs. Think investment banking level. They also ran it on Spreadsheet Bench, 912 real-world spreadsheet tasks. When editing via LibreOffice, it scored 35.27%. But when editing native Excel files directly, it jumped to 45.5%. Microsoft Copilot, around 20%. Humans, roughly 71%. So yes, people still lead, but ChatGPT Agent is catching up, even on DS Bench, which tests advanced data science workflows like regression modeling and feature tuning. The agent beat many human baselines. This is no longer a gimmick. It's competitive with skilled professionals. Let's talk browsing. On BrowseComp, which measures how well AI can find difficult info online, GPT Agent scored 68.9%, beating Deep Research by 17 points. On WebArena, which simulates real-world browser tasks like filling forms, extracting details, clicking through menus, it crushed the operator version of GPT 3.5 and 4 Mini. It's not just scraping info. It's interacting with the web like a human would and doing something useful with what it finds. So how does it actually do all this? ChatGPT Agent runs in a secure virtual machine, giving it its own computer environment. It switches tools on the fly. Visual browser equals human-style interaction text browser. Fast data processing terminal running scripts. Analyzing code. Downloading files connectors equals secure APIs to Gmail, Google Calendar, GitHub, and more once you authenticate. The agent can summarize your inbox, schedule events, analyze code repos, and it keeps context persistently within its environment. With great power comes, well, great risk. OpenAI classifies this model as a high-risk capability system under their preparedness framework, not because it's done harm, but because it could if misused. So here's what they've built in. Real-time prompt scanning biology chemistry filter stack no memory. To prevent prompt injection, attacks confirmation prompts before any real-world action watch mode. Live supervision for sensitive tasks, full privacy controls. Logouts, cookie settings, hidden password entry even if someone tried to trick it with hidden commands on a web page. A real threat called prompt injection. The agent is trained to Of course, it's not flawless. Slide deck creation is still in beta, formatting glitches happen. You can't upload your own slides for editing yet. More formatting polish is on the way. As for rollout, Pro Plus users. 400 messages month, access now team. 40 messages month with credit add-ons enterprise and education. Rolling out soon EU Switzerland. Not yet available due to regulatory compliance. And a heads up to SEO experts, devs, and publishers. AI agents now consume your content. If your website isn't structured with proper headings, labeled fields, consistent tables, clean HTML, these agents won't know what to do with it. So you're not just optimizing for human users anymore. You're optimizing for autonomous AIs that can interact with your site. Bottom line, ChatGPT Agent is here. It's real. And it's going to change how we get things done online. From planning trips, scheduling meetings, researching competitors, building models, editing sheets, it does it all. You just tell it what you want, and it goes to work autonomously, securely, intelligently. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and definitely share it with someone curious about AI. And don't forget, the AI income blueprint is totally free for now. It shows exactly how people are making money using tools like this without any coding. Link in the description. Catch you in the next one. Let's be real, we're now in a world where AI isn't just generating text, it's doing real work for you. The ChatGPT agent isn't science fiction. It's a digital employee that's faster than interns, smarter than most assistants, and available 24/7, no coffee breaks, no complaints. So the only real question is, are you going to be the person using it, or the one being replaced by it? Make sure you grab the free AI income blueprint in the description. It breaks down how people are already using tools like this to automate workflows, launch businesses, and create new income streams. No fluff, just real strategy. And if this blew your mind even a little, tap like. Hit subscribe. Drop a comment and tell me what you'd automate first with ChatGPT Agent. I'm replying to the best ones. See you in the next one, and welcome to the AI Uprising.